Here is how to reduce fractions. We have this fraction 30 over 2. What we want to do is expand this. Now what factors makes up 30? Well, we can say 15 multiplied by 2 makes up 30. But what factors makes up 2? We can say 1 multiplied by 2 would give us 2. And then what we want to do is to cancel the number that is common between the fractions. And now we're left with 15 over 1. Now every whole number has a denominator of 1, so 15 over 1 is the same as saying 15. And that is a way in which we can reduce a fraction. Here is another one. 63 over 14. Pause the video and attempt this. So we have 63 over 14. This can be reduced to 7 times 9, and 14 can be reduced to 7 times 2. So as usual, we're going to eliminate what is common. In this case, what is common is 7. So this leaves us with 9 over 2. And that would be the reduced form of this fraction. How about another one? 64x divided by 24. The fraction 64x over 24. Pause the video and try to attempt this. Okay, let's begin. So we have 64x, 64 and 24. So 64 can be 8 multiplied by 8 multiply and the x multiplied by x, while 24 can be 8 multiplied by 3. The principle remains the same. We are going to cancel out what is common. In this case, what is common is the 8. And now we're left with, for the numerator, we're left with 8 multiplied by x, which is going to be 8x. And for the denominator, we have 3. So put back 3. And there we have it. This would be our answer. So attempt this one. 100x squared over 20x. Pause the video and solve it. So 10 squared would be 100, right? So that is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied, for the x squared now, it's going to be x multiplied by another x. All over 20x, which can be 10 multiplied by 2. 2 times 10 would give us 20 multiplied by x. So let's just cancel out what is common. What is common here would be this 10. What else? This x. This 10 can also be further broken down, as we can see here, because this 10 is really what? 5 multiplied by 2. So now we could say, now we can take out the 2. So now we're really left with the 5 multiplying this x here for the numerator. So the numerator would be 5x, while the denominator would be 1. And as we know, every whole number has a denominator of 1. So 5 over 1 is the same as saying 5x over 1, sorry, is the same as saying 5x. And this would be answer. So at this point, you should be noticing a pattern. To reduce fractions, you need to know your timetable. So if you're having any form of difficulty with reducing fractions, I suggest that you study the timetable from 2 all the way up to 12 and then come back at it. So timetable and common factors. It's Mr. John. It's Mr. John. If this video was helpful to you in any way, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out.